Yes, how are you?
Pamongo moku utie kindwa chokubinu kakae nilegu iwa.
We thank you for each and every one, and we thank you for the students. Father, we are here before you. We say thank you for journey mercies you granted each and every one from different destinations up to here, my God. Father, we are here before you. We give you one sheet in this place that may you be the one to take control. Protect each and every one. Above all, we commit Pacheri Polytechnic into your hands. Father, hear the prayer of your children. Be amidst us and cover us with your precious blood. In Jesus' mighty name we pray. Amen.
Ay wijiri chit kushe binwango. Mokutie ka go kakae ndede. Lungneno makani mu beru be. I mean, we are going to program 5. I have to introduce some place of inconvenience. On the southern part of it, we have also one. So whenever you feel like, go where you want. You will reach.
And once again, allow me thank you for coming from far and near. I wish to bring the history of this place, Pacheri Community Polytechnic, guests of honor. Pacheri is a government-headed institution that was founded in 2002. Formerly, it was a center to train people in blacksmithing, arts and craft. There's a functional board of governors. At this juncture, allow me to request the team I work with to stand up for recognition, both teaching and non-teaching staff present. Could you rise up where you are? You come further. Which has affected the smooth running of the institutions in terms of training, welfare, games and sports, to mention but few. And as I talk now, we did not receive government grant for fourth quarter, last financial year. And it was not easy for us to continue keeping students at the school. Understaffing, which has also affected the smooth running of the institution. Number 4, compensation of the community on the land to allow expansion and upgrading.
Wonderful speech from our dear acting head instructor, Bashir Community Polytechnic. God bless you. We are still pushing on. Maenu wishpa, we school maeni ube gwako kaberu. Kaberu wish matek sana, wabe shida nyimi wangwa. Chalo sawa, kija kurumwa, sawa maeni. Waruongo shaman, ma.
You will get the youth there. And yet they could come here and train, get the skill, and then go out and do their work. 2, 3. We are giving 1.
It's only 1.
1. Yes. 1, 2, 3. That is to tools to work. 1, 2, 3. That one is to Van Don. Then 1, 2, 3. That is to Eleku. Then another one. 1, 2, 3. This is to ourselves, to all of us. We can sit down. Celebrate very well, and God willing, we reach also home very well. So, thank you very much.
That has been the speech given us by the chairperson of the board. When we wish for chairperson, you board, on your board. Number 5C is testimony by the old students of Bashir Community Polytechnic. Sadeni panyatin kwan nyiti kwan mudaru Bashir kakini kakamagi wukie ngom mutin dikisha tin kwan
1 year I came back for 2nd year. Still people were discouraging me. From there, even my own brother came and he took me away. In fact, he took me to the other secondary school called Excel College. I went and he started it. In fact, I was even performing well, but my mind was just to come back here. That was trying to concentrate, but things were not okay. Then from there, I struggled coming to third year. In fact, I remained alone in the class, and it was not easy. Consulting my colleagues were also hard because there were no other students who were in fact in the same class. Others were in different departments like history and so on. So it was not an easy thing for me. So people will say, why you continue in this school? You think you will go to university? You better stop here and maybe try elsewhere. But I said, no, I will just go with it like that. Then when exam came, in fact I crashed everything and I was the best student that year. Then later on, I went to Arua Technical Institute, whereby I also performed very well. I was also the best. Then later on, the person who was in fact helping me, he said, I have nothing now. So maybe you try something else now, so that you can go back to another level. Then, in fact, I was staying with my aunt within Pakwashia. Then I said, now, I was supposed to go for advance. Now, since there's nothing, I have to go back home and maybe I do some digging. I went and stayed. Then I went to a nearby technical school, that is Kirandongo Technical School. I went and discussed with the principal. I told him that for me, I just want to come and sit if you can allow. Let me register, then I sit. They allowed me. I reported in third term. I also succeeded. I have no problem. Then after finishing, they told me that I have to go to Ora Technical Institute to Gandhi, do some teaching. When I reached there, I taught for something like 2 years. Then I got that sponsorship from Ugapri to go for education. And then I went for it. As I talk now, I'm teaching, but I'm still on dog pay. So I'm really, and I want to urge my fellow students that who don't lose hope. This is the right path that you have taken. Don't let someone force you. And from here, still you will reach up to university. And as I talk now, I want to reach university. I want to go and do my whatever, my mechanical engineering. But things are not easy, but with God, I think it will happen. So don't lose hope. Some people, they are there to discourage you. These things that are brought here, they are not just for granted. They're supposed to be used. Now, if you don't come and study, who will use them? In fact, you are the very people who are supposed to use them. So continue with that spirit, and make sure you also encourage other pupils or other students to join, such that they also get what we are supposed to attempt to achieve in future. This is the right path. As I from nowhere, still you also make it like me. I think with this, I may not have much to add. Maybe next year, if they can arrange such that I come and talk to you again, when your friends are also there. Thank you.
Share mo wan wa chayu giwa wakanen kakame wuke akame dunge beneno jikaken. We still have one girl who is pursuing Bashir here. Tomorrow you will come together here, you will find that he's a degree. You're welcome.
Asaku so Bashir any kandengo. Among us are not out of P7, see the secondary. He's working order. As if you already take a dog in Pajo. One person would dog pay. A dog consider some class at Biro, and work with Shiana Mondi Pashir. A shadow song, a Mondokai only Pario for Dabustier. Malame percentage Beruka Senda, for Matianyati Kishma, what are they pay? And get a better Cotamano Macashom, a better Furuleja, like a dog in Libu, assassin to Padana Furu, a show of Rufizi via Uketu Gumugamu Puana, Roma Bedo Carua, Munguketu. You may abandon a gitinga because we take a supporting some para Uketu team, I've been made to work in Yanira, Magitiakin Pasho. Magidaro som class a biru fizi logi gibera bera. Nya giduogi som government and minimum is somebody that kigi. Man kendu adaro neno nea. Pos ma tum pole kwa tia shio. Uketukinde mabinu kakae. Aneno nya akutembi nyu ananya kuede ashoputi mukos pashosha. Kinde mamondo ashako katimu ati katimu de male ma ikinde ya shosha ati ani kenda enke challenges make it ati ka paro pirengo uketukone ni ati orumerario ma angeyo nia ukanyba bandon magiti ka konya nyu asupu megera ya nyim kusomo para. Ente angira aketu chunyanya omaka so Dong a wia sieke makitie kin pasho ka dog juru nyoro. Udi wek nyati peri ubere bere pasho government makone ni edo. Pikwan panjira tet ikimulo pasho. Kaneno ni akine mabino kakae. Ino makala kwa fees damu tek kare kasi the bus staff gidi chunya ge wacha nya so kumgingo nya adi chunya ndai kom so. Dong atingu kare ma eni pini foyo. Jumi bandon makitinga beru support para matek uketukone ni abeneni abesomo kum kare masha ta moka beru pe adoki patu kasa fizi kagiriema kakone ni atia gonya masente para maberu kasha kasuluku fizisa dong pinya para pirengo man sente maberu kasha kasulu otapanga aberu de otapanga kone ni samda busami school fizi de abeshulungo sente mama kuno ngapang kudu oda bawilu kudu sabuni koma. Dong peku mo kuman wangu pe uketu performance para kita mashon ta Allah kere. Ini laga mashiek mame tunia awe shiwenu. Mabe miyo kushwang nira nyira. Nya. Kudi kipar pilembe moko. Pirango ancha mabinu kaya giwachira nya kos eni ete. Shika kone ni. Anwange nya eyod. Mana tia kugenu genya. Ashopu time. Nishidi ya nyimle. Yonyo kinge oru moko, ngati moko de buluwa nga beru fundi pare mi gero ot pare.
Ba eru, wish panya tin mirario, ma pontie itete kumi pasie kumi di polytechnic. Wa winju chokushui memi wiwa wadi nyodo. Dong anyira de mube luka keni yeni mube winju. Kasinya mapeni kuma malo. We wingi go chakolo kunya kumare majakoro keungo. So we are still going on. We are going to D part of 5, which says welcome remark from the traditional chief of Pashir. Whisper would chak mi Pashir sawa ne eni joli.
Ma eri nyande kilomita kenyu trenya nok iu ne an atie konyenga julung okech opio report pacher shalo dano lembedie udie peka ke ukete wacha kendo wara bare maeni agera fo cheke aya amida tinkare ne ana be merota raire makitima magibedu ka chobo sedo ketu obedu ka nginwa kungech ka keneni certificate ne aya shalo ene bedu kuloka e kuloka ma no mi yugo motkara geno ne angeye amita mi fo chini juponji magemia class teacher Riku ako MC makawoni ne be wecho kodwa amita kegi ay malo nyano do ngati ko ngech mi yugo motkara aya amita tinkare ma eni yo ke pe mi ching mo ngeyo ende e konyo wa ya nyim meto onenia oro ne guyuni ngoni timo gima konyo ngo ubino ino angechi ro bodi sawa na bodi aya amita ating chalo watie udana matongtong watie kuro chak mipa chego watie kaneno giromo ai giweving nyano ot degitie giromo ai degi moto dano enegi dano bero foya genunia ginma etika medo kero mo do mo no gwachina encouraging donc agenunia awia mako gitima tek man ke ginenia kitmi
My name is Serafina Wachango. I work with Education Local Expertise Center in Uganda. I still want to mention that this function we have today was for a purpose, and we designed that purpose to invite you, community members, board, and the children, the young people, of Pachel Community Polytechnic. Our focus is really the young people, the youth. And I was very happy to see the young girls and boys, the ones who spoke and the ones who have not spoken. I think their message was very, very clear, especially to us, the parents, because the young man who spoke made it very clear that we have a big role to play. So, Education Local Expertise Center, we are a local NGO. We focus on education, as the name goes. We work with Tools to Work contacted Bandon, and Bandon was very happy, and they said, we can work with you, we raise the money, and then the tools can be shipped to Uganda. So Bandon gave the financial support for bringing the tools.
Maenu, wish moi kudi bang, lumere leko, o winju wish, watch niya, issue mu winju lemene. Wa ba shidi wangwa, o program number 7, we are going to hear from different levels. First, we are going to hear from chairperson LC1 of this village.
Kupachiego kudande boge mwaneno wiki ngoeni wajolo kudana matungtung mon kusho kudawia magbiu kamio tadeni matungtung school maeni wajolo tango nya school wachendre ka gere ko chengwa wataka ko chengwa tin wachwe kere paka na kedo ko school manda eni NK awiyamwa mi pacho pecho kuye ga kwano school eni NK an chalo dano abedo ko pa mi akela tina moko manyo bi e class abedo tap nyo na tin moko mabilwar mabiro mo chomo school e kokoro makachom eni NK kama latin choka wo ki class abedo kama tembo ka beka logo ko latin no beka yeungo e wacho konya meno school pa jomo podo school pa jomo podo ko dara de matung kwa ginero nya tuon school e baba jomo podo ake dong ju puonj mo puonja wiya eni de kong ju wengi bedo mo podo gi wa era ke gitir school dong inongo nya ianda challenge ma deep tie school nya no keno government ye ko chwal dano moko organization styling dano kong unyuti gitelo pa school nyo chidong chalo government de choku konyo wango e dong wati meuno giwa chalo ngati mueni kende ayenya fonya kama bedo ga wiji latini ne ye latini no second grade ku pira rebi angwen manonga para ni secondary ram ka chedo chawa ni kande school ba jomo podo ini ko chi pod kunu bende meno e shendre eno e kwano jwayo bao Omako yod gino dong ako po da shu nya pasher matua anda wange pat wapayo madok an achako katero pin eni imoka ili fareo kuda areyo i Kampala chia biaro mkujamo ndumoko ugamo washiranya kidgin mwate mo etie tuon tit madita tika teloke chal mwa payo chal eni rieko ne chal ba pinye no wentie yo ngit kum jumu kwana mago kong e goy sket pa pin enu ke jaka making wangento anga bo payo kuma angeo nyu kuma dong tie diwi ade chako paya tingu yira ngondo yenti achako payo kuma wo atingu ngam apa ya watini iya kuma right makenungu kenung wagine wa medo kwan mo kikume nung pasir tie kaka mo kuma yotungo sidong watu wan kade mo kwano ngo tekre latin magenyolo ita ko ponju e mako koyo si chako pae gire kumenu meneni bodane no wado penwo uru dong amito awa ni jutuanya watimu ber kachwalo dien itukul wachulo dano awia tie ikin pacho en magdaro klacha bero ma polo wecho ko pe kali ko juru nyono migi de wecho kwe ere yeta wiya maglagi chako wakai la tija bachiera tiel de tie eni magbedo gine group na tiel maglagi donje ni koni ne tie machaka ete gati mo maleng mutokare mi factory chade yobo en mutokare mo kuma yeyo bel nonde derie me en welding de lenyo en donc indongo nya kete ke biniganga kai shimu machete na shienda pajo mi factory cha de mito de donc ko bini pacho eno cha de ni mira shien malatin pacho ma moi eni wo be de bioro mu ne cha mage kwano eni e kwanne ko sham ne bedo kai twom sham ko pi eno de donc ayenyo awat ni joro nyodo wadanya watimu be wachwelo na wiado wachwelo na wiya tien bodo michi ngane no nya joma gi kwan university no mukore gi centre kin pat eni makedo mi duogu tichuloi gi mirom katimatima pedon kwere no nekie don watimu bero keta wian mi bodo michi ageno wana blok makola keshango ajolo binu badano sheke wadaru nambu maeni maber wado kudai yom chwin dano sheke magi dokta ma bol matong gi wot maleng bera foyo
ma ero beru wesh pasha men bika beru mama en pashir shir pol ento kama ule ni e ni shamen en emi wesh mabesho kawating wakati tis emi ula pur mabe panyatin biga share magi beru ko di mira share kakini ango mai betim pati de dong yenyu winyu ye bero papa shir ma pa shungo ento pashir ma community polytechnic winyodo udwa kwenu galo oh shaman we are going on. There's come time to our chairman Oshia person LC3 in the sub county Gongolola Mwaeni Ojoli.
Afayo welo mera wara amoto dano cheke meri ba Kristo angene sawa raj ngomne dele mungo aparna kawacha woro ron cheke bibeleng anyingate binega Francis pache eni tepa ne mwa pachmona na maike wen pachmwa amita wach na chunya yo mera share le kom yoringe orma duong achaka bero atianda kendi pache polytechnic eto mapoda wechungona ka amita penjire ka penda pendano angene ya ase miongo kare mega mo penjini penji mayot tieni ya wabinu katima ngo vandon ubinu katima ngo education local hepatitis ubinu katima ngo damu sheke kaka gibinu katima ngo awuya kwan ubinu katima ngo tie penji mayot ete penji matek ne adu wako penji mira jiki ni daru pache ni a polytechnic gikendo pira ngo man amiri ya daru makichokre kini gi iPod kabiru matongtong abe penji panyango matuwa ni a pache polytechnic gero pira ngo penji eni ni kom anyonga neka ngo ureli faria kwa bero kine mabinu ka keni chalo japonji polytechnic pache gamente ora en anongo wela wia akwana tin ureli faria kwa para bero ora par wela wia ti akwana manyutu ne ya kewa medo ora par kindu samba kwa china ne pacheru be birude akwana asu elo maraji lonyo obino iwa tenge migiedu mwabe neno eni lonyo obini iwa nyunyu maeki mesh madongo misende madongo wabe neno ge ngamo makutiko ge amita wach ndani matuwa niya gamente ubelwenyo matek makweni keto ng'omodongi wandre mwaduoko tiendiel imine to wawach niya wakwan wela wiya magina nyoli mipachiel gina di Polytechnic kai wando gina gina di ariyo nyo adek kabedo makamo go mani loyo wela wiya me iye nok mani loyo pirango ango marach ang'eyo maber ni adano matua joro nyodo kad bende kuna wiya gwachi na sende pe mikelo dani somo sende negi be gino inga kene sende gino inga kene ang'eyo maber ni apiny makelu sende ne sende ng'at machoko milion pare pira bish kado getem kodoko loka nonge jako loka ngo dam chaki shialo kalanga shialo full luoro toba mako shal roll pa film slinga di fadek el famwen kadong dongo daro matua gimitu ni akoge shock sende milion apar kedo kiter kula wiya mekisom donga ngeyo ngo kuno milion apar no bishako kanena wene ya udi mwa ipachie kadi panyango aba mituka wachukumae dia dano sheke mwabidu ini dano magi binu ngode magi winjwa ko kama bor kadi bende magi winjwa go saba mwabi shwalo dwan iki wangei ni ya teki wako kashiduka mogo ilare shako katako tiendi kado nitunduka kicha manabe wachukumae da tekina wabe luuru ni asende mwape wa orunga uya somo telo kena dongo wabi kitawia bikwana ngoma kwe Achiel community Polytechnic pino iwa juponji pino iwa piny matong tong makwa tigo gi bino kare berongo madano mange gibi ai kama bor kwa gibe kabika som kakae gin sama ma eka gibi tu dano mungeyo piny ayoba machine technical people kashi de lera e ola kende applications matudu daka bora ninda share nidongo Eto mwa team ka wacho ni wamitu japonji bi ponji kwayo bongo i Polytechnic pachir. Japonji pe. Japonji mashingo bedo kaka obini orili padeo kana pero instructor mi kuochu. O ai karamoja. Onda no kama ngati ai kama board liko mwan wape kudano lagi. Era an sabu kabela neno ko shamba di ya wa maru tuwe mwatai. Itwe utai la bongo timu teach pirango emete shedi teach ma ibe kendre eko tai bake shobu ka ngadu shingingo ka tiedi be ngadu tundungo ichi pirango ape kwa dano matua yo nen somo no pinyo kile abita do for coach me partners matongtong bagilwani pini dongo kabedweni manyingi giluongo education local expertise Van Dorn Foundation tools to work kudana mange amita doku for forge neko bero ma timi pacheri Polytechnic di makwe enta amita what dunia ya bero ma ino timu ni government all that we are doing now I'm sure a few of us may not wait. I extend my sincere appreciation to our various partners, as already mentioned. Your contributions to Pacheri Community Polytechnic is almost incalculable. No one can calculate it. And I want to say we are grateful as government to you, especially for all that you are doing. This launch wouldn't have been for this day if you had not intervened. And I want to say that on behalf of government, we are grateful, we are pledging any support that you need. Because you're working for government. The government of Uganda is working hard to see that people's welfare is upgraded, see that people go to school, wealth is created, among others. And without your support, government cannot achieve this. We are grateful, we extend immense appreciation for that. Around Sheke, Auti Pachir Community Polytechnic, Abita watch you there. Coding out Moko, Onyuaru, coding out Moko, who could work some. Ngatamu nyeri beketi weko somo indo ngat mandong bebiti toa toa eno janeki binu pa wat chopo ai pacho chopo ai school eni de ati mo kwano kode chopo ngat ai kamuge abawok wachok wabeni polytechnic wakwan wakawa dok tano ngati mo ko pe mawachina en somo konyengo Mokonywa akumeno akwata Sheke ashuru ka go wane ya well awiya medere kuleni medere school eni jam teach magemiu kodi gibe pin manena eni gingoni apin makotano biu nena pin makwati kudatia chalo gamente wabe shitimu teach moko mandano bidagwa yebe abita watch ni shako we mira shell oru manyen wachalo gamente wachitemo teach moko madano makbu dagwa e LC's cheke ma watie kudu kakae LC achel ario councilors be otade gamente mo wechu pirene eni gamente maloy mwa utie endo gibinungo ke podi wan watimo go chaki we mira shell wabine do ne awiya mwa wengo do kisomo jara nyudumai kwa kunya ten e pasho mi piem awuya enu wa bishop oge wateru ge kakene be show mi fai eni penwa be chitemo la bongoluoro mana be nyutu eni wakara wa chiu shon kina basom be chako nya tin wondo mi pasho wa bishop jara nyudu pare wateri ie enu be kwayo ni aya don't wa wacho ni aya e yabu dogola perikiri matimbero ya dogola ana foyo afo bidu be ucheke fina yo angeyo ni aya sawa manda
ya person ni ot miradege kot wabi ai mo opode ete gwango hai wasiti on mokuma tulu kasha we komken
is a very big challenge, a challenge coming from communities, coming from parents. So I would like to get solution to this one straight off. Head of instructor, next time when you have such cities now, so when they go, they will have the paper, they will not compete. They will not be able to compete favorably with their friends when it comes to look for job. So I call upon parents, especially parents of Pachel Polytechnic, to support Pachel Polytechnic by sending their children to this institution. We shall be happy to see that the numbers increase from 126 at least to 500. And we would like Board of Governors to come to us and ask for support. We can also lobby for support when the enrollment is high. So from Pakwach District Local Government, we also pledge support. We are going to support this school in terms of supervision, because we want to ensure quality teaching and quality learning. This institution is not very far from the district headquarters. So we shall be here to supervise the teaching and the learning of the students here in the institution. I participated highly because I was the chairperson contracts committee when Pachel Polytechnic requested for those vehicles. They were supposed to be boarded home. But when I saw the document that they were needed to come to Pachel Polytechnic, I quickly convinced members to let those equipment, the vehicles, be given to Pachel Polytechnic. I think now they are here because they are our children who will use them to aid their learning. I would like to thank also the Board of Governors for Pachel Polytechnic for battling the whole of fourth quarter without money. they battle. So this water again, your money has been posted in Navy, as I said. So CAO is still working hard because we have about 3 institutions from Pakwach whose money have been posted to Navy. We have Ogenda Girls and then Pakwinyo Primary School. So their money has been posted to Navy Main. So we are working hard to see that the money for Patriot Polytechnic and the money for Ogenda Girls and Pakwinyo are brought back to Pakwach district local government. And also, we want to follow the money for 4th quarter which they did not get. We have got the reason because the releases from Ministry of Education came. I have a copy. So when it came now to advance, not advance, this, the invoicing, that comes from Ministry of Finance. I checked with the Chief Finance Officer Navy. Money for inspection was not there. Money for inspection for Navy Municipal was not there. And then money for Patriot Polytechnic was not there. But later on we discovered that money for Municipal, for DO Monetary, went to Bizombo. So you can see, still have a lot of confusion in the transition. So I pray that the Board of Governors, together with the head of instructors, work together to try to trace if we can get the money for 4th quarter. So that I know you might have borrowed money from other people and even material from even the food staff and also paying the staff who are not on government payroll. So we need to put our heads together and we track and get back that money. So with all this, I want to thank you so much for this occasion. I want to repeat once more, next time involve us so that we do the mobilization together. Of course, I have been tracking, I found out of 3,997 candidates who registered for PLE 2017, only 10 registered to go to technical schools. So I have also come here to learn, and I have learned. So I would like to get the answer of my chairman, because he asked, why are we here? Me, I have got one answer. I have come here to learn. I have learned that only 10 out of 3,997 candidates who registered this year registered to go to technical school. So it is a learning point. Thank you so much.
Chairman, I did demand wish near Tinia Wen, Ento, and then she senior beast, Maratewara Parabitu, you need a guy in here. Long Junior, would was she technical? Any wish one? Yishing Parango wish Lempene. What belong, Chairman, seen in Shallow.
Yenya chikare ma ene ni moto si biniki mboka mama kwa kopado chengo forever. Derango matemo kamene wan wadana lulu wadana jonango be marongo kayongo awiya mwa magisi de position moko maber ke gigo gikindwa ikabedo makede no ngi yungo gido de wan wa yongo go ke awiya mwa magisomo kitido malo gidwar yiwadwar gi ible yugo gi pacho kade kelungo ible bikalie wa meto wa yongo utie kameni ba emiyo moral kade na wiya musomo ele nyake ne ngati somo kene kiki yongo ko ngati musomo mubili jade keta mora mi kwan bedu tie ayenya boy bandon ma gi kel wa kony ma eni ne kom ke ko mako chingongo wa chorungo ayenya boy El Sadek Bogo Governor D.O. Kodano Makende Tongtong Mapodi Wia Wilungo Road me pache kurodi wedu makende teke and then the ditu road me pache do be no kai ayenya boy binu muya wonu rodi enu onwo neno kotolalo no gibe du pendi no wa ai kama neno wange eneno malo wacho pat kwa mutu donc wafoyo binu muki wako binu kibo me ketu tipo kumwa duogo mano de no ber afo sana lembe mukelu wakaka danu gonyo lembe cheke madomo romo banwa ya ke walubo ikura machon pajodongo gibe ki ponju awia kuyore ma tong kin ma jadit neno nyatin par e biduogo nemba ngo e biduogo gina ngo ya nyi nyatin ma ke wuone cha teko timu po boy ende be dinge duone mete ko boy wuone wate ri jara na koje ko na nyatin ma ke wuone gero o en cha teke be ka kopotol wuone ri jara gero o wuone koje ko gero o eno ketu ne uke wote kimpacho mene on magitodo manencha jo makende to ngoyo to dengoba on magitodo tade dan makende wa pango ka panga ke kisige gero ino ka woni eni wajoro nyodo wa kwero kaneno miti pa wiya mwa ko de pacho wa kuwa cheke ko de pacho nyati ne same monde pi wane cheka dar pi 7 ineno kura pare ni ne jo ponji uneno kura pare nyati ne ko di school wekara guidance and counseling uchako ai pacho utuli school primary kameti kadaro class apirucha no uja konyi don meyo guidance in kitwaneno ke school makamai in kitwaneno ke school makamai wanyang be getemo wakameni so mwa tie primary so guidance and counseling maka wacheku ko de pacho umondi school wekara school mwa mi pacher ebe school maber awuya mineno gibino awuya igriek gilo awuya matie kakane secondary awuya egi ai kakae gido lonka kwayo sabuni ngo ibang jorunyodu mege government mwami Uganda okelo no pa community polytechnic poly telemelenia giponje pima duom tele pa poly pima duom wekara lok micha yuti rek ubelupe nyatinu biukwan eka medo eno tis moko maitinge gire metimo gire nyosende moko tie echakajwa yo bao echakagero odano bugero od duo eni gimu keto government ukelo kulema eni NK one wadano me panyango sub county dog what take me you blame ikom government NK mi mako chin government we kara program for government uchumate watimu ko eni gima chairman LCD kuwe watimu ngo akapol le pare umaka don government chake chalo wa dan wa chake ngono umaka government chake many government ke school wan wajuru nyodu mipanyango sub county kuwa mako tin government mikela wiya kakai nonga wiya tie kakai chok dakabero dakabora don lopi no sponsorship bedu yod na wiya ege podi manok makiko me da wiya pe makabi ene nya ka de ngati mu mi cham de cham e pe ma chem ni ke cham be ka koka lara rengo don wan jalo juru nyodo wan jalo stakeholders umaka wa medere asuiki dano community sensitization manyama chabedo ije chan prama kasha abeka wetu kujuku mumaka ge nyut na wiya nya school pa government mafunji jam king in the district zobu utie pachier kakai awia bin kakai awia eni gichi dungo secondary school bien chol makende secondary school mulwa kade pende de USE kel gi kakai chol makakai porire ngoko kakati chule pe manok eni lembe mayenya keti iwangwa eni sama mundu gibinu mundu giyabu school ikin school mamundu yabo ubedango missionary technical school kapo secondary school so technical work gigolo menango ebedo ukeka wabeka temenya peleka gilongo woodwork technical drawing metal work gibedo tie ngo gitie ineno ebedu kapo secondary school madongo nogi telebe no bedu tie we kara ke podu senior ngwente kade ngoma bere no ngimpache me koro no ngi woka jwayo bao ingeyu iwo ka gero oto de ngeyu iwo ka temo ma e de ngeyu telembe mu keto berga ka woni ma weshi eni brothers ma dikele nya pa ya oro mu binu gi dok chen ka temo ki punji ma chon mi technical drawing metal work and amocha gi chake bechen eni gi ma gi YouTube yenga mo kado wabedo ko gi meeting kusa donc maka wanen mamwa wakete matek le mirario church wadana luru wadana jonam church duongi ewa pacheru toa wiya no kon jalo loka moko buya technical school pare moko kakai kago ko ni pokwero ko ni pakwat ko ni alwe ko no buya bi danu pom big pacheru wiya peba donc lembe mwati mu giwa wan kupa ka mete danu chayo pere gineno nya quality pe bangate mo ayo ko chare ber maloyo eni ke timu mo eni ke ja wota oketo bu cielo sapati pare kakai ngate mo ngia upe kon jalo loka mo ngate mo ko kendo bu ya bingete pum wanyo ki putedo ko yati ni kumwa pe kumar kumwa biwa mari kindwa giwa wa pe kodo don watingo institution nene tal institution maprete kwani panyango kumwa lemba nga wati kudu genda mamundo de bu sponsoring anyira moko ende ko ditie panyango fufu man wati pache polytechnic de bu sponsoring dano kakai ende wen ko di panyango wati panyango SSA de munu mo modo keje ko fata cha de ki sponsoring awia ende ko di panyango ke dom no ki guku ma ngom watie ko ka kende mo metu mo nyot ki wo wan wa panyango watie ko gum mitu gungo don gume ni watie ka nyote ngei tingwa umaka wa lok paro mamwa wa dugi pinya chel we kara panyango uchida he eni par mayenyo anyut iu mugisa ko binu iri ko ni bai mugisa ko ngei singi jodongo we shikamen eni jokwa mi panyango la pongu kwan ni panyango ne birwe lembe mu kwa panyango no ungonya dan panyango ne ke mara ba kwan di boluru kwan to ba en la pongu kwani wabedo de tien kamenu don wa medu kwan ube lembe mapere te nene DO one code was stakeholders makende manya woro di pojowa gwacho nya wani chalo chungi wibye wati kule bario wawacho nya it is not political interference, it is political intervention. En la woro di pojowa ba dongi teaching and learning di mapere tek mayenyo school utinge chalo school makende utinge chalo primary schools makende chalo secondary schools makende supervision ube tiri pini neno nya ponji obuponjere maber karawe political interference ube rupe kaka niko mwane ko wabinu watemo mitupanga palwa muchwalo wacha bien ko mo binu no itwa bum kali no japonji temo lo moko manok wanonge ndu mamu podi sawaro ngono wanwango juru nyodu we tiku namba mwa cheke donc wa binu wa metu wa kuwa ni anglembe sha ete merenye medi yuma kade kede gi binu ku twin mo ko no twin jilie nwaru dano mama ine no de eta de ebe no kura mi dano be gi nene ngo maraka kecha bien when one nene nya ticho mako temere so supervision kaka and the discipline of the staff in the school cheke without discipline ponjere go dongo diku chingwa wa monitoring school wa board will be monitoring wa political wing will be monitoring technical staff office padi o ko jagoge wa team monitoring na tek we ponji be kaka ponji mo twe awuya wo ka wuya mo twe en ama biketa wuya ma pol bibino kali mo I district makende de enke ka wuya wo results wo nya kitimo ka kenu e bedungo mabera kesha donc din makatim awiya manoke wanene ake kado maber ma school mamalo sha ola galara eni bimi iwanyeng maber eni office padi o ineno mapudu wadugu ngowa yero inspector de mu twin mu maketi ko de inspector ke ay malwane eti anene de ka kene inspector makume mora wo bi makume mor bitu budengo ko e we rema no nyenge gi longo rupi nyenge gi longo rupi ja wopa de dit venerable yat ipagwaya kakai en inspector mo londo mo twin ku di le ku ja mo ma ko do kon ja di te marking e ko en gi mutie den tenge mi sports school eni yang gi begi tuku karashia loko secondary school ma ton ka woni no gidara ka wodo ge don di tuku e level ma mege mi technical school donc kadi pende se de permitter ge work level ma mege ere kadi sik fa government e mo meto ke begi tuki sports man sports officer de tie ma ber mo chwalo belo ka kecha romo ka consulting and rom ka guide mu jadi teacher etimu aha inspector ma donc teacher mi de yungoba donc inspector me Pakwas district nenge de longo rupina Ronald wako ende nyate me panyango wele e Pakwaya kaka eno ko pati ngo foyeba mandi awato nia kwa kameningo la pongo kwan nende gwedo te nden mire jikipara mabuti weshu ka wode utie kom donc sensitization one when meeting na team e okay ngata chela mu wok makoche doka moko en new paper chair polytechnic kokoro ni ngati moko kadi ni ngati mawoko nyuti ya fonyi na ber mochwe pera wia pidero pipodo meeting utie pacher polytechnic man one wadanu mi panyango ketero nyatin kweri tis mi bodo meeting kele pacher petere i district bakende i arua gicha upuchi cha musende pere manono awia moku gicha mi yole polytechnic de chikatimo de ma eni magite mi pacher pera ngo donc lembe mandi ma wetu mi chacha wakuwa wodu chachi iwa wekara wadongere kiwa woromo dongere kiwa afowu kwe akafowu kuwi ya nungo woku sana chairman binungo angengo pera ngome binungo enyutirango nyene esi binungo kade vice enyutirango nyesu binungo anogenya do wemo birongo chokere sa moko nungo le moko ngologe afoyo ba mwa woro matita yenya lungi kuwe
Amoto cheke me Pakristo. Meta foi tel mamam mitekwaro. Na mwame pashegoro pasher botandebo. Meta foi makecha tel mwame local government. Shadow Chairman LC3 District Council in Panyango Sub-County. Members of both the Pashir Community Polytechnic. For your opinion leaders. Mohamed Yonam District Magibino. Afoi management of Pashir Community Polytechnic, LC's Miromu Matonto Manghema Gitiye, before the water Seraphim. One eye for the Education Local Expertise Center Uganda, Kampala, Bana Enyapasho. Betikuti muti shalamin gweno maneno ngeye ameta foi avia sikuru sheke me Pashir Community Polytechnic an konjinga dilonga kura basko atu yanyole mirandi bo Tin Pacho. Tina Tini the Miranyonga Makesha Iralundi. Komkina Magabashako Pasher Polytechnic. Anwa Kola pointing or Liel, Kawan Tibuno Yum Kamale. And Opinion of Bedma Any. Genu Val Malwala. Take Fai. Show point my bed. Donc, à tenir ora para beach. Bien meneno ne pas cher comme une polytechnique ou kakene. Ana beira nyonga. Je fallait ma pole checker dans mon voiture. La mangema kameta weje no ngamba noya. Ento chalo cha ponji. Meda wesh lamba shel nyo ni Rachel abe yuako dana mamwa li gwetone Rachel mameta washi ukamaleng kafura dunda mwa podongo maper mi ponjiri wabe jobo yuke kwa wabe biel mapek menu kesidi Kampala security ko ka ete dan malurungo nongete ne teso ka ete teso ngo hanga jal kwa sheke pe pondir manya no kado ni shidi ministry matong menu ka penyo niya ministre mo meyo kana no wengi loa nya ten mo mo majalo makie permanent secretary de tie pe ashel mo kuma under secretary de tie pe tena bas maras kade ministre de kimi para shel kulong dagel wona par ministre me pash lo teto ministre me pash no dan ngana do gim mo ka pa bingo si de ñoyende rek ko kumeno bete mo ko de UCE mo ko de A level anti par matemo anano ka be de bi pondir cheke chacho buganda na mfano ge and abo we kuma eno che member of National Council for Higher Education and anything me tertiary universities mo we kuma eno che member of the education sector consultative committee mashamen PS Samo kwa kilo lemo kido koro rom kuba kota shela share. Kage gamgi kete ne be mutie on drip. School de be on drip. Meta kweyo kwa kana mera chela kweyo juru nyodo. Kola ro ko mar kwan pabu ya mamu. Kama lopor gi karama ke pekwano di ko de voting ngo amaro we persema nel sir kage wati ge beteringo tamu be wege bede to ka on ne no pacho mo pepe de nedi ko bebe da ngeja su ko be de jolo abe ati jalur mo ko te commission ko wachira nyo angengo nga commissioners are in plenty, in thousands. Del one compassion polytechnic and one could be pondiri on my monster. Let me get it was Junamo launch shot, but pure make one. Long in a tip, baby, you need. I will do now. Give me take a patch moko. Mokma Ming on end of win. Lemangom kito kwano ngoti. We kara road de beru. wodo be kwa wodo mu ponjere karabeni la nyu oyo kun gitinga nang fode timo kere pake ketadar university nang fta e mu kere ba tinga mi ponjere mi technical is only the mindset. A lot of money out there for skilling. If those have not gone to school, they have an opportunity and an informal. You don't need to teach. The school should be seen to be productive. People should be able to learn from here. Should be organizing short courses every 2-3 days for skill enhancement. You don't necessarily need to go for curriculum structures. Should empower the community so that people see the kind of products you have. Physical. For example, local government, and to give them fabrication work, and give them fabrication work. You pay them money. So that is our prayer, that skilling is the key. Only way we can develop sustainable economy in this country and create jobs like the DO said, is to go for skill training. And I'm sure you people are getting a PhD, have nothing to do with the PhD. You need to create your own job. So my very humble appeal to the role model students. Please do it, and you should be the change agents. You should be the people to market the institution to your colleagues. You should be seen to be productive. Interact with them. Whatever names are going to call you, you can be sure tomorrow. So you say, wash waseme, ujinga na umia. People will talk. They'll try to discourage you, but be very focused. Because you know what you're doing. You know where you want to go. Actually, in my Andibok village, I'm happy my road is here. Most of the young people are now drinking Kavera, this small packet. They are walking from door to door looking for ledger. For example, exactly where I am, there are more than 15 young guys have dropped out of school, not even senior 2, senior 3. In the morning that your door, you have some work for me to do, you have what I can clean and get some money. Why can't they come and train here? Why can't they come and train here and make their own money? So I think the cultural leaders need to style up. I'm actually chairman of the District Service Commission MD. But that kind of work cannot stop me from mobilization. I'm going to commit my personal resources, my energy, to seeing that the education system in our greater maybe is revived. And I'm starting with the Central Officer School in Yapea by becoming the Chairman Board of Governors, not by choice, but by hobby status. And I'm going to move around, not being my helper. You can be sure the kind of style you want to use, and I can assure you, if I get the cooperation from you, the stakeholders, with other team members who are already getting rallied up, the entire Greater Navy will not remain the same. Shall remove the drip channels. So I want to appreciate the work of my sister Seraphine. Seraphine, we thank you, respect you. Mayo. Labor mataku de mako. So with that, I pray somebody was documenting all the proposals. So what is going to be required of the Board of Governors? and management of this institution is to sit down and come up with action plans. As I conclude, I agree with the poll that you need joint planning. You need a joint concerted approach. Let management and board of this institution collaborate very closely with the local government. Should also make sure your own plans are within that development plans. And Mr. Chairman, a member is considered the head of department by your sub-county. Should be part of your planning and budgeting process. Should be inclusive. Should collaborate with the civil society organizations, both local and international. You should collaborate with the stakeholders, parents in particular. What I used to do when I was a head teacher, I would even visit in the homes. You should do visits, communities. Community engagement is very, very critical. You should also transfer some of your demonstration laboratories to the community. If it is blacksmithing, move there to the Bashir community. If it is craft, should do the demonstration there. If it is agronomy, move to any other Panyango community. And by doing that, you're influencing the action, the effect, and infecting them to adapt the methods you are learning in the institution. You also need to deliberately create skill empowerment training center here. People will come, even if they're giving you 5,000 shillings. But I'm telling you, the impact in the next 5 years will be very different. Because you are empowering them socially, economically. You can be sure the kind of economy in the environment will change. But if you continue writing books of lamentation, you are not going to change. And that change will change you. Remember, you are competing. So what is your need? You need to find what can make you stand out tall in the society and what can make any other person from Lango come here. You come from Lango sub-region. You should also bring the Langi here so that you have a mixed community. People learn from one another, acculturation. So with that, I want to say thank you for coming to be with us. May the Lord bless you abundantly and also grant you Johnny mercy. For me, I see hope at the end of the tunnel. I'm not discouraged, I'm encouraged. Thank you so much. The next ceremony that I would want to perform is to create a launch. To that extent, I would want to invite Seraphine, invite the chair board, invite the chair PTA, invite the chairman LC3, Panyango sub-county, invite the district councillor, and also invite the head instructor and one representative from amongst the cultural leaders to come and we perform this. Would also want to invite the student leader. The student leader. Student leader. Invite the successful student to come here. in the spirit of I, Vasco Kura, Chairman, Education Local Expertise Center, Uganda, representing the of Bashir Community Polytechnic, wish to launch a component while remembering our partnership with Vandon and Tools for Work, and in cooperation with Bashir Community Polytechnic and all the stakeholders, I therefore launch the sewing machine operations, the embroidery machines, the fitting and the modeling machines, and all the tools for cutting, tailoring, and mechanical work. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. I, in Bashir Community Polytechnic, received thank you. Oh. Yes.
Amita tinkare maini miluongo board members cheke manyawor mwabedo kudu training kupitie karachelo kupinwa meko chal kwa manyawor wa makungo.
It's been marvelous. The launching of the tool to work is done now. Washeke waneno ana kakura neno rengo china nene eni anyonga liga kabisa agenu ya yida nyonga bedeki